Set Forget Traffic Review. Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg, and today I'm going to review Set Forget Traffic. As you can see, I'm in the members area, so you will get a look at everything that is in the front end, and we'll also look more about their bonuses. Plus, I have some amazing bonuses that are going to complement this product, and we're going to learn about the price, we're going to learn about the upsells, and how Set Forget Traffic can help you. So guys, I'll see you on the other side. Alright guys, welcome back. So as you can see, this is the members area. Now, Set Forget Traffic is going to go live on October 26th at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, that is New York time, and it is being launched by Neller Fernandez and Arinze Gold, and it has a front end offer of $13, but guys, if you stay with me, I will show you how you can get it for $10. So we're going to get $3 off, okay? Plus guys, before we get into this, let me take you to my bonus page where I have got some great bonuses that are really going to complement Set Forget Traffic. So this is the top of my bonus page. We have until 11:59 on Friday, October 29th to access all of these bonuses, guys. So we've got about 5 days as I'm doing this. So let's learn a little bit more about what Set Forget Traffic is. Basically, guys, this is a way to get a lot of people onto your product, your affiliate link, using kind of an underground traffic source, which is Quora. Okay, so maybe you've heard of Quora, maybe you use Quora, maybe you have asked questions about it and don't really know how to turn it around and have it make money for you. So this is the cool thing about Set Forget Traffic. And it is very easy to use, very newbie friendly, no tech skills. They show you exactly how to set it up and what questions to ask and how to answer these questions, guys. So let me just take you down through here. This is the price and the upsells, but I want to take you through this later. Let me first take you through to my bonuses and how these bonuses can really help you, how they complement. If you're doing affiliate marketing, these bonuses are fantastic in my opinion. So guys, this is my exclusive custom bonus number 1, and it is how you can make money daily. Now this is all about affiliate marketing. This cost me about $1,500 to learn this information, and in this bonus I go into very step-by-step detail on everything that you need to do to be able to model this and how you can make money daily at the same time. I think this is a fantastic bonus. For any affiliate marketer, you need to know these skills, and I think I break it down very clearly and easily for you to understand, okay? Next one, guys, is another bonus that I've created. So this is my exclusive custom bonus number 2. 3 ways to explode your YouTube view rate. I implement these 3 things every time I upload a YouTube video, and I've seen a tremendous increase in my view rate. And I think you're going to see the same thing if you can follow these simple 3 steps, but not many people know about them. So you guys want to make sure that you also get this. So it's really going to help you out. Now guys, I've also got some bonuses from my mentor, John Armstrong. He's given me some bonuses as a way for me to say thank you by using any of these red tabs here to claim your bonuses. So his first one that he's given me is Access Lockdown Formula. This is his brainchild that he developed shortly after last year when the COVID situation was just starting to get out of hand and people were being locked down. This is going to show you if you are still at home and you want to learn how to make money. I think you do through affiliate marketing, so you're going to get tremendous value from this. And also guys, the next one we have here is Bing ads. So Bing is obviously the Microsoft search engine that is not really used very much, but it is powerful. There is money to be made, and Jono has shown us that he has done that, and now he's going to show me and you how to do this as well, guys. So now you can start making money using Bing ads as well. It's also much cheaper than Google ads. Okay, and build your first website in 3 easy steps, guys. So you might think, whoa, building a new website, that's really daunting, but it's broken down in a very easy to understand way And then you can have your own website. You can put your videos up there. You can put promotions up there. You can put incentives for people to go to your website and start building your brand, building your email list, and it's just 3 easy steps. Next one, guys, Access JavaScript Commission Bot. This is going to really help your traffic explode, specifically with Instagram as well as with Facebook, guys. So this is also very, very powerful. And we've got some vendor bonuses as well that I will show you in a minute, guys. So just like I said, you've got about 5 days to get all of these. Here I am. This is me, guys, my website. Now, what I want you to do, you can click on any of these red boxes and they're going to take you over to the sales page, like so. All I want you to do then is just click on this red button here, and it's going to take you to Warrior Plus. Okay, and then to claim all of my bonuses, you want to click on this blue button, and then it's going to take you over here where you can get all of my bonuses as a way of me saying thank you for using my link. All right, guys, very, very easy to do. Now let's take a look at the sales page. It's not that long, but I'll just show you some of the highlights. So you can see this video by yourself. Again, very newbie friendly. Don't want to spend too much time on that. I want to take you to the bonuses basically. Okay, so here's some proof that it works. So bonus number 1 is going to be the recurring income training course. Get recurring income from work done once. Earn for months or even years. So that is their first bonus that they are offering. Their second bonus is the high ticket training course. So earn more with the same effort, right, guys? So it doesn't matter if you're making a sale with that is $10 or $1,000. The effort is the same, but the commission, the dollar amount, is of course far different. So if we can learn how to sell high ticket items, you're going to make a lot more money with the same effort. And their third and final bonus, guys, is affiliate marketing training, how to do affiliate marketing the right way. And here are some of my friends. This is Shihu and Keiron. They have given some testimonials. These are friends of mine in the affiliate marketing industry. Great guys. And guys, we have some frequently asked questions that I'll let you look at that for now. But right now, rather, I want to take you to the members area. So here is Arinze. He is just giving an introduction to set forget traffic. So what I'll do, I'll just go over the main main headings, excuse me, and then we'll go through each video step by step. So we have the intro, the mindset. So the right mindset is very important with affiliate marketing, and a lot of people overlook it. So that is why they included it here. And the main training, guys, the affiliate offers, case studies, questions and answers, case studies linking to offers, and then the next page is the bonuses and the upgrades. Okay, so here we have both of these guys, their intro videos here, and then we've got also some stuff down here. Okay, now guys, we have, let me go back and we'll just go through each of the videos so you get to see all the material. So the mindset, I said, the system, warp speed, writing a letter for a friend, how to write 150 words per minute. So he has a system that he's able to record, I believe, so you can just speak into it. So speaking is much faster than typing, so you get to be much more efficient with your product creation as well. And guys, what is this free traffic? So that is Quora. He's going to show you. So let me just show you here. Okay, so he's going to talk about it. Now what I like down here is affiliate offers, guys. So hold on, let me just slow down a second. So what is this free traffic? Here is the magical platform. What questions to answer for maximum traffic. So this is key. You need to know what you want to be looking for to help get some profits. And this is what they show you step by step on how to do. And guys, finding affiliate offers. So you're going to look at ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. Those are the big 3 for affiliate marketers. And case studies, questions and answers. So what I like is they're showing you example questions here. So I'll just click on this.
So next part will tell you is how to find questions so you can answer. So again, what you want to do is come to your profile, click on Ad Manager. So it's a nice simple way. From here you can actually.
Okay, guys, so they're going to show you 3 different examples as well, which I think is pretty cool. And also, 4 examples. And case studies, so links from blog to sales page, redirecting blog link, and Facebook posts, okay? So you're going to get all of that, and then like I said, if you click on the next page, you're going to get the bonuses, and if you want to upgrade, that's where you're going to upgrade as well. So guys, let me take you now to the pricing. As you know, the price said it was $13, but there is a $3 discount code, so you'll only be getting it for $10, okay? Okay, so all of that plus my bonuses for only $10, guys, that is about 2 Starbucks coffees, not bad. And then the upsell number 1 is a done for you campaign, so you're gonna get 8 done for you campaigns every month. And this is gonna last for 8 months, guys. But you do need to have Commission Gorilla. Now, Commission Gorilla is what this program is that I'm using right now to do this product review. So you just pay it one time and then you're good for the year, okay? And there's a downsell. If you don't want to do the $37, you can do the downsell at $27. So instead of getting 8, you're going to get 4 done for you campaigns for 8 months, okay? Next one, guys, is going to be the reseller rights at $97 or a downsell of $67. So you can sell set forget traffic and get 100% of the price funnel. And guys, number 3 is a mastermind coaching call at $197. So you're going to put yourself ahead of the affiliate marketers game. You get 2-hour calls where you will have the chance to learn how to use this case study in your bonuses. So you're going to have one-on-one with both Neller and Arinze, and you're going to learn step-by-step affiliate marketing that is working in 2021 and probably beyond, okay? So for $10, guys, like I said, that one bonus alone that I'm giving you is $1,500. So very good value here. And the upsell, perhaps you could do the downsell number 1 of 4 done for you campaigns rather than 8. But if it's going well, you can just go with the $37 here. I think that one's not bad because doing the campaigns can take a long time. If you are busy, then this is a viable option for you to consider getting this upsell number 1 or even the downsell number 1. And I think the coaching, I'll leave that up to you guys. Everybody's different. Some people need that one-on-one, some people don't. I'll leave that up to you, okay? But let me just highlight once again all of the main things that you're going to be getting. So the main thing is, it doesn't matter what your experience is or your tech skills, it's very friendly, based for new affiliates. And the videos show them how also they've got support there, guys. But the real important things I really want you to see here are some of these bonuses that I have created for you. There's a lot of value here. Also, the bonuses that Jono gave me to give to you as a way of saying thank you. You're going to get a lot of value with these as well. And once again, you just want to click on any of these red buttons to access your bonuses, okay? And guys, this is all going to be in the top line in my description down below. You can watch this again, and you can also get the bonuses down there as well, guys. So here they all are. All right, so guys, that was Set Forget Traffic review. Very good if you want to learn about Quora and how it can help make you money. Also, those bonuses are going to really be helpful as well. They'll get you more traffic, help you get some profits as well. And guys, if you got some value from this, I hope you can like, subscribe, and comment. And please hit that bell button so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. I do new videos about honest product reviews all the time. Also, I will create other videos about how to make money online and just different little hacks that you can learn and you can use for yourself as well, guys. So I want to thank you once again for your time. This is Keiron Hogg signing off. Don't forget to hit those red buttons to get your bonuses, and you can check it out down below if you want to just access it right in the description, guys. Best of luck on your journey. Drop me a comment. I'll make sure to get back to you. Just before I go, guys, you can learn more about me here at KeironGHogg.com. You can find out why I make affiliate marketing videos, how I do that. If you have any questions, you can drop a comment or find me on social media, which is also down below. You can learn how to make $10,000 a month in 60 days or less. Click on here to find out more information about it, guys. And like I said, best of luck on your journey, and I'll talk to you soon. Keiron Hogg signing off.